All right, you guys, we're in this beautiful vacant house. Y'all know I gotta test out the fans. Oh, hold on. All right, now that we got some light, there we go. Let's see a brand on it. A little direct drive. It looks fairly new. All right. Yeah, I'm not seeing a brand anywhere. All right, let's test her out on low. Excellent spin now. What size that capacitor is? It's probably huge. Oh, of course I can't see it. I don't know if that spin down is accurate because it's windy out and I can feel the air being drawn through. And this looks like a newer whole house fan. Yeah, it looks like the blades are getting pulled. Okay. And then we have the master bedroom fan. I think this is a Hunter, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. Let's see, there's something up there. Nope. Okay, what does the remote say? I'm not getting the brand, but maybe somebody knows. All right, let's give this thing a test run. I don't know what that's starting off on. Is the light dimming? I guess that was high. Let's see. Okay. Started out on high. Decent airflow for a modern fan. I guess you would call that a hugger style. I don't really know what you would call that. Modern hugger. Slight wobble on high, but decent airflow. say it's good for a bedroom. I think we're on medium now. Are we on medium? There we go. Nice change of pace and speeds. All right, let's hit low. Very quiet on low. Very gentle breeze. I would almost call this aesthetic. It's not slow enough to be aesthetic, but the airflow feels aesthetic. Okay, now let's go back to high. And spin down. Light. Is it dimmable? Oh no, but you can change the temperature. It's gotta be dimmable. Come on. Don't disappoint. Oh, I guess you're not. It's nice you can change the temperature though. This thing has a nice spin down on it. I wonder if it remembers the setting when you turn the power on. We'll wait till it's done spinning down. It's a little warm in here. I'm gonna kick this bad boy back on. Alright, for the sake of not making this video 10 minutes long, we're going to have to end it here. This thing must be new because the bearings are impressive. Oh, I did want to see if it remembers the settings. So we had it fan off, light on. Yep. They had the fan on, so we're going to leave it like that. And we're going to kill it. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Modern fans in a vacant house. Until next time.